Hi, welcome to Spool to Cool. This is the brick block puzzle box remix that I build. These bricks look and I've intended it to be that way. Also, there's no metal hardware aside from the magnets. So now I'm going to solve it after the spoiler break. Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert! Let's see what those bolts look like. So here's one right here. They're 3D printed and they got a bunch of little threads on it. Pull this off. We got two more down in here to hold this part on. And that's the gist of that. Put it back together. Just screw it together here. Let's put something inside. How about pieces to another puzzle? Oh, that was... Hang on, let's do it this way, okay? Put it inside this part and then put the lid on. Yeah. There we go. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Actually, he was...